Hello guys, this is Shaparali for another video today, and we are going to talk about issues related to the pain people are going through on the H4 visa. So H4 EAD, as you know, was a big break. It took us years. We fought to make it happen. Now a lot of people are worried constantly. Will it go away? Will it stay? But it's not going away. Even I myself at one point was thinking, hey, maybe that thing will go away. Well, not that thing, but eventually the great thing that we obtained having the H4 EAD, it gave freedom to a lot of people, dependents. And ultimately some people even did well on the H4 EAD, creating their own businesses. I know personally a few clients who really made it very well using the H4 EAD. But the H4 EAD comes with one weakness, the H1B. So that means if your spouse loses their H1B, you're going to also lose the H4 EAD. That means you lose the H4 and the H4 EAD. Now, another situation which is becoming more and more common is when there's a separation or a divorce. The H4 people on H4, once they get divorced, they basically don't have many rights. And once the divorce is finalized, they're pretty much out of the game. So they have to find some kind of solution for themselves. Many of them will move to their own H1Bs, or they will move to an F1 visa. But the truth is that many of them are left to their own devices. They don't have the means to move to F1, and they are going through a lot of psychological, mental trauma. They don't even have the courage to take another job. So they have to move to F1 probably. And the F1, unfortunately itself, is difficult to obtain if you don't have the finances, the financial support. So what do we do? Well, there's no solution on the law right now. And one of the things that I'm trying to do is to make sure that we can get some kind of protection for those people. And I'm talking about men and women, mostly women affected. So the H4 situation is in limbo now when it comes to people who get divorced. So we are calling on people to sign our petition on change.org. I will put the link below, and kindly share it with your friends and family, because we are talking about something very important here. We can't let those people having to go back and suffer more where they're already suffering, especially if they have children here. The children need them, and there's no provision in the law for that. So we are calling on the government also to change that law, to give some kind of protection to the H4 visa holders once they get into a divorce or separation. And that's my call today, and I would like you to join me and make sure this happens, just like we did for the H4 EAD. Your support made the big change. We need to do the same now for those H4 visa holders. I will talk on the next video about the H4 visas, children aging out. But right now we're talking about this one. So please subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends, and put a thumbs up, and then we can move on with more videos. Thank you so much. And anything I told you today is my opinion. You should not act or refrain to act solely on the information provided. You should contact an authority if you have any question. Thank you.